Hi, in this video, we're going to be reviewing the cell transport graphic organizer. Here in this column, we have diffusion, osmosis, facilitated diffusion, active transport, also known as a protein pump, endocytosis, and exocytosis. And each of those are different types of cell transport. Your job was to decide, going across each of the rows, decide if, for instance, diffusion is a type of active or passive transport. It is indeed passive transport. Everybody see that? Passive transport. The molecules move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. This is said to be down or with a concentration gradient. Because the movement of molecules is from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, no energy is needed. And for diffusion, no protein is needed. That would be like a membrane-bound protein channel. But we don't need one for diffusion. In osmosis, you probably notice it's all the same criteria. If you recall, osmosis is a type of transport that involves water. Okay, moving forward, facilitated diffusion is a type of diffusion. It's passive transport. Molecules are moving from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. And there is no energy needed, but there is a protein needed. I wanted to highlight that. Again, I'm not sure. There we go. So there is a protein needed for facilitated diffusion. Active transport, you may notice now, also requires a protein. However, there's some other stuff going on with active transport. Because it is using a protein pump, it's moving molecules from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration. This is against the concentration gradient, so it requires energy in the form of ATP, which is cellular energy. Endocytosis is another type of active transport. This involves taking in large quantities of material, but no protein pump is needed for that. Exocytosis is another type of active transport. Molecules are moving from an area of low concentration to high concentration. Typically, wastes are released this way in single-celled organisms. And yes, energy is needed to do that. So again, we just spent some time reviewing the different types of cell transport and the qualities or criteria that they have. Thanks.